Once again, good afternoon to all of you. All panelists have discussed about Digital India, but they have discussed it in part-wise. Say someone had discussed about network, someone had discussed about policing, someone had discussed about some other thing. Now, as a whole, what is Digital India? I will discuss about the Digital India, its vision as a whole. I know you must be becoming impatient, so I will cut my presentation in short. Digital India is a program to transform India into a digitally empowered society and knowledge-based economy. Whereas e-governance is electronics governance is an important goal for good governance that laid emphasis on anytime, anywhere delivery of government services. Now, NIC was working on e-governance. Now, NIC is aligning itself towards Digital India. We can see the difference. Digital India is digital infrastructure. Digital India talks about digital infrastructure, governance and services, digital empowerment, but all to citizens. Whereas e-governance discusses about digital infrastructure, governance and digital empowerment to government and some part of citizens. Now, vision of Digital India, high-speed internet as a core utility. We have nicknamed NKN. Cradle to grave digital identity. Every citizen should have unique, lifelong, online, authenticable identity. Mobile phone and bank account enabling participation in digital and financial space. Easy access to common service center. Shareable private space on a public cloud. We have Meghraj. Safe and secure cyberspace. Presence of NICNET in the state. We have centers and NICNET connectivity at district centers, state headquarters, Raj Bhavan, and all important offices, secretariats. We have one mini data center, cum network operation center. We too have National Data Center, Meghraj, and the disaster recovery site at Hyderabad. We do have NKN, which speed varies from 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps, and almost all important education institutes of the state are connected with NKN. We do have video conferencing facility. It saves time and economy also. NIC video conferencing facility are being used extensively in the state for review, monitoring and capacity building. Around 2,000 multi-point and point-to-point VC sessions are organized in a year. We are hosting the government website of Bihar, gov.bis.nic.in, and almost 300 government and PSUs websites are being maintained by NIC. Email services and capacity building are our important goal. Then again, I am coming to vision of Digital India, seamlessly integrated across department or jurisdiction. It is something like data of transport can be shared by police officials, or data of police may be shared by court, or data of court can be shared by prison. So, seamlessly integrated across departments or jurisdiction, services available in real time from online and mobile platform, all citizen entitlements to be available on the cloud, services digitally transformed for improving ease of doing business, marking financial transactions electronics and cashless, leveraging GIS for decision support system. Now, we are already working in this direction. We are working on GIS, network services, e-services to promote electronic governance. We are also working on central MMP, mission mode projects, state MMP, integrated MMPs. Our efforts in promoting electronic governance in delivering e-services have been acclaimed in Bihar and on national level also. Recently, National E-Governance, 18th E-Governance and CSI National E-Governance Award conferred to projects, namely Samvida and Force Deployment Software. We are working with the Transport Department. Many of you might be aware that we have automated the driving license, vehicle registration, dealer point registration, etc., commercial tax token. Then we are also working on the university for registration and examination. We are working on counseling. We are working on automation of library, land records. Even in judiciary also, we have done good work, like in Patna High Court and Civil Court. Panchayati Raj Department, we have conferred third prestigious position in National E-Panchayat Puraskar 2014 of Government of India. We are working for agriculture, our poor farmers also. Recently we have launched a software, online farm mechanization software is an online system for filing application for availing subsidy on farm equipments by farmer. It is to empower our common citizen. Prison, IVFRT and NDAL already discussed by IG sir. Governance and service on demand, forest MIS, Jeevan Praman has also been discussed. We have state center and district centers, and we are regularly, continuously providing support to administration for the automation of the system. Then vision of Digital India, universal digital literacy. Every citizen should be aware about, digitally literate. Universally accessible digital resources should be available to every common mass. All documents, certificates to be available on cloud. Every citizen will have a locker-like thing, digital locker, in which their all certificates, licenses, etc. can be kept, and it can be accessed or shared by some institutions. Availability of digital resources, collaborative digital platform for participative governance, portability of all entitlements, and these are the 9 pillars for the Digital India. It includes network, it includes training and education, IT training and education, production of goods, so that we should not import any electronic goods from foreign countries, and information should be available to all, and that's all. Thank you.